ceiling with life jackets secured, the boats will be released. To operate the boat, point the engine in the direction you want to go. To move the boat, press the start button, clicking on the right-hand side. To slow down, release the start button. To activate the water blaster, press the squirt button located on the left-hand side. Keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Should you wish for assistance at any time during the ride, simply raise your hand and someone will assist you. Come to the dock slowly and cautiously when instructed by a ride attendant to do so.
Pagtulungan niyo si Tito Renzo. Has. Pagtulungan niyo si Tito Renzo.